Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft XPS Document Writer not working issue in your Windows 11 operating system. So let's go and find the problem. First, go to your Windows 11 setting menu and search for Bluetooth and devices. Now go to printers and scanners. Here you can see guys, there is only two options are showing, fax and Microsoft print to PDF. The third option, Microsoft XPS Document Writer printer, not working or not showing here. So let's fix the problem. First, go to your setting, then go to apps. Here you can see a option, optional features. Tap on it, then scroll down and you can see related settings, more Windows features. Tap on it and you can see there are lots of options are showing. So you just find out the XPS Document Writer here. So scroll down and here you can see the option is showing below the Microsoft print to PDF, Microsoft XPS Document Writer. Just click on it and OK. The Windows will applying the changes, and now you can see Windows completed the requested changes. Now go to your setting again and go to Bluetooth and devices, printers and scanners, and here you can see now the Microsoft XPS Document Writer option is now showing, and you can use it in your office work and other works. So this is the way you can enable this Microsoft XPS Document Writer in your Windows 11 operating system. So friends, hope this video is very helpful for you, and please subscribe to my channel and like and share the video. Thank you so much.